So anyone that's got an 07 GMC tailgate and all of a sudden your latch doesn't open, tailgate, these bars, that's on the left, that goes to the left release, that goes to the right there behind the lock latch. Well, my problem tonight, let's see if we can get in this. My problem tonight is this guy right here comes out. It's lost the piece on the end, on the back side, so that fell out, and then you're stuck. So all you have to do is put that back in, find some type of clip that's gonna hold it on the back side. Maybe some, I don't know, I'm just gonna have to tape the crap out of it tonight. Keep her going. All right, another redneck fix. All right, have a good night, boys.